Hey, hi friends. My name is Achut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to add our GitHub repositories projects in the LinkedIn. So let's see how can we add our projects in the LinkedIn. So first of all, you have to go to the Me icon, click on the View Profile, and we get the profile here. And you should scroll down, and you'll be having projects, right? So click on Add Project. And right here, HTML and CSS, different projects, different projects. So let's write a description. I have created a very beautiful websites using HTML and CSS. So here you can add the skill. You can add HTML5. So here you're having this HTML5 and the CSS. And you'll be having start date. So start date is, for example, January, and year 2022, and end is December 2022. So I have created all these projects in the span of 1 year. So you can add associated with GPC. So you can add college where you have created, and add connection who contributed to these projects, add contributions. So if you don't have, you can leave here. So if you have any media like images, documents, sites, or presentations, you can add here. You can add here. You can add here. Let's add a link here. Add a link. How can we add? So go to the GitHub repository, and this is the GitHub. So if you log in into GitHub, you can see all the things here. So you can go to the code here, and you can see HTTPS, and click URL to clipboard, and come to the side and paste it, add, and description. I have created 7 websites using HTML and CSS. So you can add like this. So we can have the thumbnail and GitHub repository and the title, and you have written the description, and you can click on apply, and you can see all the details, and if it is correct, I can click on save. So the details are saved. Details save was successful. So you can start posting, and you can start post here like this. So the post was successful. The post was successful. See here, HTML, different projects, cascading style sheets, different projects, skills, and you will be in the project section. You can see the different things you're having. So in the chat application also will add the links. So add link here. So go to here and go back here. Oh, it's taking time. So you can see here chat application, right? So click on this and click on hold, and you can see here the link, and come to LinkedIn, paste it here and add. So it's saying we are unable to retrieve information from your above link. So you can cancel now. So you can cancel now. So we have added our project, right? HTML, CSS, different projects. So we can add uh, the different projects. So the link is not working for the chat application. So I can modify it myself in the free time. So this is how we can add the projects in the LinkedIn, so that will showcase your ability to the recruiters. So this is how we can showcase our projects in the LinkedIn. So that's it, friends. It's a simple class how to add our projects in the LinkedIn through GitHub repository. So if you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.